here we are. The two massive mobile armor and weapon platform from UZ0083 Stardust Memory. We have the 1/400 scale Dendrobium, and we have the 1/400 scale Neo Zeal and 1/400 scale Jabra Tetra or GPO4. So I'm pretty glad that Bandai made this model kit. Yes, since Bandai didn't make any HGUC Neo Zeal, so there's really nothing to pair your or my GPO3 Dendrobium. Even though Bandai made the mechanical version of this one, which is the cheaper one, way cheaper one, but it doesn't have a lot of detail and it doesn't have a lot of articulation, especially on the Neo Zeal and on the Dendrobium. So I decided to get this way back, which I'm glad that I did, because now the price is skyrocketed and it's very hard to find now. So my final verdict on this one, this set is pretty awesome and worth it. And it's gonna be awesome to display with the rest of the rest of the Stardust Memory model kits. And it's either you can display it by itself or together with the HGUC Dendrobium, or you can display it pair like this. And I forgot to mention, if you have the white base and the Musai Gundam Collector, then you'll have an awesome display piece, especially if you have the rest of the Mobile Armor Zeon Mobile Armor Gundam Collections set. Let me take this out from the tripod and let's put it side to side with the Musai and white base. So here we are, side by side with the Musai, Neo Zeal and the Musai right there. The Musai is 1/400 scale also, and we have the Dendrobium right here, side by side with the white base. White base is 1/400 scale also. So I think that's all for now. If you guys have any question, please comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to like my videos. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. Bye.